again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back, guys. It's chest day today. 11 weeks out, and we're at Ultraflex Durham, the North East Mecca, arguably one of the best gyms in the North East. And we have a special guest who's currently on his way here now, but it's my best mate Charlie. So I'll catch you on the inside.
I'll start on flies. Just don't stare at me when I start talking about the exercise because I get mad confused and I'll start laughing. Right guys, we're in for chest. First exercise will be pec deck, and we'll do 15 to 20 reps to fatigue the chest before we hit an incline dumbbell. And there'll be no less than 12 reps. And do you know what I just realised? I haven't introduced a special guest, Charlie. I said it's funny, innit?
You're going that back.
What?
Just how do you talk with us?
Oh, it's miles, it's proper awkward. So light as that for 20 reps.
Hey?
It's so light as that.
Too light.
Final set on this drop set. It's currently on 75 kilos for anything above 15, and then drop set like 15 kilos lighter, rep out. That was actually hard, that.
Huh? Did you do a drop set?
Yeah, I did 75 to 55.
Got what?
I got like 16, 17 on this, I think. Easy, bro. Go on, Charlie. Probably days. Next exercise, incline dumbbell press in the hardcore corner Ultraflex Durham with all the old school Dorian Yates weights, which are there.
Straight in 140s, yeah.
45.
Lightweight. The next. Balance feels well weird on these.
Just a rattle to death, but Dorian's watching you, so you have to get it.
Sorry, Dorian.
Go on. Up, and shoot, and again. Perfect. And again, come on. Oh, there we go. We're working, and again, come on, Charlie. Oh. Let's get to it, let's get to it. Oh. One more, come on. Oh. Solid. Good set.
Easy. Come on. Yep. No, you don't even need me. Come on. Easy, that guy. Nice. Yep. 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 Go on.
That was a hard set, but that incline dumbbell's done. What do you want for next? You can pick any exercise. Do you want on 10?
Just a 10, yeah.
You
going, have you? See how it feels?
No, I'll probably see how it feels like. I'm a bodybuilder, remember?
Bodybuilder life.
The powerlifting days are over, for the foreseeable.
For now.
felt nice out, but it felt very light. But I can imagine it gets heavy very quick. I'm a fan so far though. Okay, final chest exercise, dumbbell flies. Haven't done them in honestly years. Normally do cables and stuff, but fancy to change it up. And yeah, we'll see what we can get.
I am knackered.
We've got lateral raise after this, and then like a bicep movement or two. Mad that.
All right then. Please tell me you got that.
And that is chest, delts and arms done.